So in this video, I'll be teaching you on how to secure your account on GitHub or just simply enabling the 2FA or the two-factor authentication. So first, you need to access any web browser or any search engines based on your preference. But in this case, I am using a Google Chrome. And after that, you need to navigate to the search bar for you to able to search for the github.com. And once you're in, you will sign in using your credentials, but if you don't have one, just simply click the sign up button for you to able to register. After that, you'll be accessing your account, and for you to able to secure it, just click on the profile section which is located at the top right corner of the screen and click to the settings. Once you're in, you will see this page and you just have to scroll it down, and under the access section, you will see a bunch of options right here, and you just have to go on the password and authentication section. Once you click on that, just scroll it down and you will find that two-factor authentication. So for you to click or for you to secure the two-factor authentication on your account, just click this green button which is the enable two-factor authentication. Once you click on that, it will ask for your password for you to able to confirm the access and link your account into a Google Authentication. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.